Yes guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video of Ray Cumber. Today's video will be showing you how to make a paper plane, one of the easiest paper plane you can make with only 9 steps. And just remember to like and subscribe. Now the first step is you get the piece of paper, fold it to the side here. Make sure it's in line, doesn't have to be perfect. And then push down it. Second step is to get the piece of paper and get the edge and then pull it to where the piece of paper stops. And then pull it down that edge. Then do the same thing again. And then you do the exact same on the other side. Now this is the final bit for both sides. Now you got these two on each side. Now you don't have to get these two bits and then fold them in half onto this line. And then the same. So that's how you make a paper plane. Now just remember to like and subscribe for watching more Ray Cumber videos. Now we'll see you next time.